Hi, I'm Jason. In this video we're going to go through the last few steps of making a timetable. So you are in step 5 and you build a timetable. As it says, it may take a few minutes to do that, and then in the next step we will check for any clashes. So I'm going to click on to the next step, which you can also do with the drop down menu. So I can see that I have a student here who is down for doing level 3 art and level 3 history at the same time. That's not going to work. He's going to have to do art or history, one of those, at a different time if he does still want to take both of those classes. So that may be in the back of another art class that he's doing that offline or something like that. We'll jump down to the end. I've got teacher clashes in here. Some of those teacher clashes are exactly what we talked about, where we've got two classes happening at the same time. So in this case it could be quite normal that we're running a level 2 and a level 3 physical education at the same time, and maybe even down here where we've got admin and PE at the same time. We'll look down a little bit further and we've got some location clashes, okay, and they might be concerning if we've got a chemistry class and a science class trying to use lab 1 at the same time, or it may be that again it's where we've just got one student who's doing level 2 chemistry in the back of a 9 science class, in which case it's okay. So you will have to know what's going on with those ones and rectify them if you need to. Through to the next step, we're into now modifying the timetable. So by default it looks at the entire timetable when you come in here. It gives you a key showing you the system generated ones, any ones that have been added or moved, and any ones that you've changed in this current session in there. So one of the common things that we need to do is look at a class, and we'll look at 10 maths here. And 10 maths is down for being done 5 times over the week. That might be one time too many. So I'm going to click on my Wednesday period and I'm going to delete the maths from there. And that leaves me free to then add another class in that spot. And so often we're adding things like physical education, religious education, health, that sort of thing, in over the top of a timetable, modifying those sort of core classes in there. So that's a possibility. I can put in the room and those things, but I'll just save this for now. Now it's not showing, and that's because I'm filtered for 10 maths. If I change back and have a look at the year level and look at the entirety of year 10, I will now see that PE that's slotted in there. That PE might actually happen on a couple of spots during the week, and so see, no, I don't have any other spots that I can pick, but maybe I'm doing more science and English than I need to, and I might want a double period, so I might pick these 2 slots to copy that PE into. So I'm going to click on that PE, click on copy, and I get this new screen, and so I know that it's day 5 and it's period 2 and period 3. So I'm going to click in there and save, and that's put my PE across in those periods as well. So that's how the copy works there. Right, a couple of other things in here. Under the teacher view, where we can see a teacher's timetable, there's a part to print out all the teachers' timetables, what they're doing on each line. And similarly, under student, there is a place to print out a student option line sheet as well. And obviously you can view by location as well. And that about covers all the ones that we can do under the modify timetable. The last step is activating this timetable. This is my term 2 timetable, and it has already been activated for term 2. But I might decide that that's fine for term 3, so I'm going to change to term 3. I'm going to activate for term 3 as well. And just to be sure, let's go term 4. And there's nothing activated there at the moment. I'm going to activate that now as well. So it may be that I come back later and do create a new timetable that I then activate, or new version of the timetable that I activate over top of this to update that for term 4. But at this stage, at least, it means that I've got something in place for when term 3 and term 4 roll in. Okay, I hope that's useful. Thanks very much for your time.